Hey guys, Monica here. I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Varmilo Summit. I got these in the Kailh Box White Switches. Kind of newish to this. But yeah, I haven't opened it yet. It came in a good package box. The only thing I had was that UPS literally dropped it over the fence. I love USPS. It was USPS, but they shouldn't have dunked it over the fence. But anyway, so here it is. Look at that. It came with some extra keycaps. I don't know if y'all can see that. Kind of a little bit of a glare, but came in these, nicely packaged. I thought something was broken originally, so if you shake the box and you hear something, it's these, so don't be alarmed. And look, it has some pretty good buffer, you know, like just in case it gets knocked around. So great job on mechanical keyboards on doing that. So I'm getting it out. I had a mishap with my hand, so I'm wearing a glove because Band-Aids. But yeah. Here it is. Here's this little soft one. Putting the box away. Look at that. Nice shrink wrapped. So I know I need to get a box cutter of some sort. My mishap was actually the scissors. Go me. So there it is. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this since the end of June. But my switches were on back order the most. Or so I think. But here it is, nicely packaged. This is my first Varmilo keyboard. There you go. You can see all that. And let's see. I wonder if it's taped. Okay. There's these little box areas where, oh, these little flaps that you got to open. And these others that you got to pull up right here. Let's see. Try not to bend it because I'm pretty anal about my stuff. Wow, look at that. It's nicely packaged. The USB cord right here. And then the protection. Oh, and it comes with keycap puller, authentic Varmilo. So that's there too. Oh, my receipt. And the little square of authenticity that they put, I noticed that they put that for my mat that I got. I got the matching Summit mat. So there you go, putting that down. Ooh, I'm excited. Look at that, the way it's packaged. Nice, nicely done. Let's see. Oh, you open it right here. And look at that, you can already see the decal. There it is, it's so beautiful. I like them clicky, so to each their own. Ooh, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I'm happy about that. I know I probably should have put this in my phone laying down or whatever format, you know what I mean. Anyway. Put those to the side right there. Oh yeah, and it comes with the little, I guess, manual. So there you go. I'm gonna set this down right there. Oh, put this there. I want to keep everything together. Put everything back the way it is, I usually do. And then Here's the keyboard, and it comes with the ooh. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, this feels so good. This is my first Varmilo keyboard. I had a An Pro 2, which I'm passing on to my wife. But yeah, this is... I'm kind of nervous typing. Ooh, this sounds good. Awesome. And I'm gonna plug it in. The last video I saw, someone did one. That was a really great video. I just wish that they had plugged it in because I wanted to see how it looked with the, how it was, you know, lit up and stuff. And especially I wanted to see what type of cord, because it's not really specified on mechanicalkeyboards.com. I think this is, I forget, this is the micro, and then the A, or the mini bus B. Oh, I forget. I'm still learning. Forgive me. But yeah, I like that touch. It has that. I know what's up with my nails. I'm real weird. I'll paint them and then I'll peel them back. Anyway, but that's nice. It's a nice little touch. And I'm gonna plug this in. See, I think I saw this on the video. And of course the connection's right here. Let me see. Oh, that's nice. It's kind of a snug fit. It's nice, so it won't yank out quickly. Like with the An Pro 2, I kind of had that issue. Like if I pulled it back, and I kind of have it snug because I don't like wires, and it pulled out more than once, and this one feels like that's not really gonna happen. Let's see. It's not turning on. I guess I have to do something. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna pull you towards me. It has the caps lock. Not too sure if you can see that. The caps lock is on. That's good. I always need to know. But I'm gonna go ahead and I guess this is how it'll look with the lights. Gonna have to learn more about my keyboard, but there you go. This is it. I'm gonna come back with another one and have it lit. Okay. Thank you for watching.